Hi guys, it's Alston. In this video, we are going to continue checking out the Appsumo Black Friday deals. Currently, we are on drop 2. I created a dedicated video for drop 1. I will leave the link in the card and also in the description and in the other places. You can go into the channel and you can find about it. Basically, in this video also, I will continue to share my personal opinion, observations to get an additional thoughts for checking out this deal. So here also I will be continuing to do that. Yesterday I finished recording the subscriber tool in-depth review video. So that is, and it's one of my favorite. You can check it out. I am working on Reap AI and also in ClickRank, the deal which is currently available within the drop 2. I'm also working on that as well. Let me go one by one. These are my personal opinion. This does not reflect everyone's opinion, but my thoughts of the deals available. First, we have something called Robo Motion. This deal also came, I remember seeing it in Appsumo. I'm not sure whether it's for the last Black Friday, but I definitely remember it. The problem I personally felt was this was looking very good, but for me, it was too technical for me. Like I skipped because of that. There were like learning curve itself. I felt a bit depending on your need. If you are interested in this, something like this might be interesting to you. But from my perspective, I like to have a very simple, even for me, certain times make.com or all these things to create these things, and even chat GPT is coming into with all the native place to bring different apps together, connecting to that. For me, it is not needed to be this much technical. But if you're a guy who prefers a lot of in-depth enterprise, you can see there are so many features also available with all the packages and everything. So if you are, you may be considering this, but I'm a non-techie guy. Even though I'm a software developer, I nowadays vibe code, and for me, having something like Robomotion right now, it's not needed. And I want to keep on simplifying the workflows and start creating everything less technical. I feel a lot of AI tools will be coming, not the Robomotion alternative, but their AI agents are coming into play. So I think my belief is within another 2 to 3 months, we will be seeing a lot of AI agents within the built-in big tools itself also. So that is something to keep in mind regarding a Robomotion. As these kind of no code AI powered connections apps are very popular because we have so many applications, we have so many chat LLM models. These tools are nowadays like everyone is using. We have so many powerful tools. From the main one is the API view. If it's expensive, we can go for make.com. It is around $9 a month. You get around 10,000 credits. Very established professional solution. And also there is Public Connect Toolkit for WordPress users and also Integrately. So there are so many options available here. Those are the options available for alternative for Alberto. It is doing the same. There is no fault with this app or anything. If you don't have one of those subscriptions and you are looking for a lifetime deal on connecting various apps, various services within one single platform, there's one limitation I noticed. Even though it's priced at 89, I think like for most people having a 5 minutes gap might not make a huge difference. But if you are someone who's looking for app database connections, I mean the workflow and everything to be started running very fast, this might be disadvantage for you. So you want to consider from license tier 2. That is the thing. It's like getting the task workflow for all the things, and there are many alternative solutions here as well. This might be good for you as well. Next, we have something called Meetn. To be honest, I haven't detailed it checking because in this day and age, because even Meetfox lifetime deal which I bought, which was running for a long time, it was similar to a meeting solution and video link. Again, it didn't really take off, and I personally moved away from dedicated tools to Google Meet and Zoom. For me, I'm not sure the other way, but the sales page itself, it's not fully convincing for me. So the tool can be very good. Even the trademark option is if they have trademarked it, so it can be good. Can be like if you want to do it, like there are so many features available. But personally, I don't want to consider another meeting tool because that is not needed or out of my experience area as well. So that is my opinion. Roundup is something interesting where this, like, my background of affiliate marketing, Amazon, and everything. And when I was doing Amazon marketing, something like this tool could have been a lifesaver, to be honest, because you just give out product details and everything, and it automatically connects with advertising API of Amazon and brings you a cool roundup post with tables, a review, topics, reviews based on the customer, buy now button included, all these things. So how I personally feel like this plugin will come to huge players, what do I say, niche markets, or like they have multiple niche community. For example, Pinterest. There are Pinterest marketing is a huge platform, huge opportunity, and so many people they have huge Pinterest account where there's, like, for example, niche wedding gowns or like home interior designs. For these things, like, I wouldn't essentially go into get create 100 of this round of pages and start expecting Google to rank it, because it is not going to be working like that. One, it is going to be locality, and the Amazon itself starting to do a lot of AI integration, chatting, content generation within their site itself. If you are planning to use Roundup, my personal suggestion is, if you are bringing traffic from a different third party site, something like Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, you are not wanting to rank, let's say, for example, but rather just have a nice way of presenting all the data in a quick way as possible. So you have an idea, like, I want to bring mixers, juicer mixer under $100. I'm going to create a post about it. I want to create a nice Amazon link post around a password. You have that huge target traffic audience. You just want to create something very fast. You can use something like Roundup to get started because it does things very quickly. If you want to go a workaround way of doing this, you can still do this. Fuck, it's a really good tool to start doing this. It's not the easy way. It's not just a straightforward way, but GenSpark is alternative to Chat GPT and Gemini, and their search, like the agent chat model, is very effective because, like, when I put Amazon URLs instruction, it will go into each of this Amazon URL, pull data, get all the data information and everything as well. So there are other ways of doing it as well. For my use case, which I think is going to be quite interesting and useful for users. We have the final deal. I think you also know that I'm always partial to the SEO tools, especially the AI SEO, because that is where the SEO is moving from search engine optimization to search anywhere optimization. So AI search engine comes into play, and we get something called ClickRank. I am not 100% experienced. In fact, I am just going to start testing this tool right now. Maybe in another 1 or 2 days, I can create a initial video look into it. I just created an account. I have just verified my with my one of my real websites, so can see how effective it is. So look forward to that video in upcoming video. So the goal here is to whatever first, this I see get misrepresented a lot. Any SEO tools which is coming into life deal, most of the time they are not an alternative for Ahref or SMrush. They are they are the giants. They can have some of their features, but entirely it's not replaceable, and entirely it is not an alternative solution for that. So here also Ahref, definitely it's not an alternative. Ahref SMrush, the powerhouse, the main USP is the database. Any tool is not going to be replicating that. This so alternatives are actually good. Screaming Frog, Yoast, SEO, and everything. And also, I like the fact it has a Google Search console integration. And I would have loved to see the Bing also, because we there is a talk that ChatGPT is getting the data from Bing. So I would love to see that also here. So basically, what essentially, like, I will start testing it. I'm on the first step, so I can't clearly explain everything within this tool. But from the copy which I am seeing, that is able to audit the website. It is able to automatically tell how your website is available to the AI search engine models. I'm not 100% sure how they are calculating, or is it even an in-depth one. And you can also, there are search keyword and content ready. So some of the speeches I'm interesting from, like applying the on page edits, how easy it is to do or do all the on pages, because every single thing here is which I'm seeing is just on page, there is no off page. So I will continue to start testing. This might be a good tool or may not, but there are so many reviews so far, so people are using it. Only I am the one who's late for the party. So that's it. That's my thoughts, right, for this round two. These are my personal opinions about this tool. That does not necessarily mean that some tools are good or bad. Just my perspective here. So next thing with AppSumo, I will be working on AI video review and ClickRank AI review video, following up with the drop three and other stuff as well. Thank you again for checking out. If you want to wish to support me, I have left the link of affiliate link. If you wish to support me, you can click it. Does not cost anything extra to you. It helps me to further support my channel. Or if you don't want to support me, also just want to check out the deals, I have leave a non-referral link also in the description, so you can check out the deals through that. Thank you so much.